It's a little cold out today. Anyways, good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to Fun. We're doing it real big at work. It's garbage o'clock. Time to put in the work, get this job done. Shout out to Jesus. Let's do it. So today, Friday, today's called a working holiday. People in the city that work in the office are off today as well. Not us, but we get those 8 hours that they're getting paid for being off. So I get those 8 hours, and for being here at work on a holiday, I'm getting paid overtime all day. If you add that, that's 2.5 times the pay an hour. I calculated as $104 an hour for today. Nona will be at home today, and she will be taking care of any Black Friday online shopping, and she'll go out today as well. We do screenshots on the things that we want, and it's a bunch of BS. There's really no sales anymore. It's not the like Black Fridays back in the days, but every little now and then you get a little bit of a discount. But we take screenshots like in October, and we find all the BS. If my jacket, I want another color, maybe another one of these. If that one is cheaper, then I'll get it. If it's not, no need. My son's gift, if that goes cheaper, great. If it doesn't, I'm still getting it because he's gonna get his Christmas present. Only immediate family will be getting presents this year, because we have vacation in December, and I like to budget. A lot of people use credit cards. If you don't have it, don't spend it. Don't use credit card. I've been there, done that. It sucks. A lot of people around you might not understand. Oh, you didn't get me a gift and blah blah blah. That's not what it's about. And if they don't want to understand, that's fine. Move on. The best you can do, go over to their house or on whatever holiday you visit. 15, 20, 30 minutes. Hey, you got me. What you want me to do? Want me to move boxes for you in the garage? Want me to clean? Want me to sweep? Maybe something like that. I haven't been able to do that. I don't really have time, but I mean, it's an idea. I heard it somewhere. I don't know. Maybe it'll work for you. Point is, I got tired of working hard and being broke all the time. So why put yourself in that position? Anyways, let's moving along. All right, fuel up is done. 15 gallons. And we are at 3,500 approximately PSIs. Let's go. I'm gonna ride out those strobe lights. At the end of the day, they're dimmer than the right ones. See that? Pre-grip. Line it up. Pick it up? Question mark? No, there's a giant branch up there. Keep your eyes moving, my guys. Keep your eyes moving. That's better. Let's move to the side for hot dog, because he's not going to be picking up any cans. Probably bulky. All right, let them pass. Now we're both out of their way. What's going on here? I don't know. No extra capacity tags. So I'm just gonna pick up a can. When you order a medium Coke at McDonald's, you don't get a large. Maybe the guy that just passed by is picking up that extra trash. Yeah, looks like he's backing up in there. Right. They made the call. Awesome. That's how you do it. They got the truck for you. You just gotta call for those extra capacity or whatever, bulky items. So today is Friday, picking up Thursday's route. It's a little heavier because that extra day. Tomorrow it's gonna be even extra heavier.
How long does it take you?
What? yeah, tomorrow's gonna be extra heavier because more leftovers are being thrown in the trash can. Last night there was no time to worry about the trash too much, the extra trash that's inside the house, and people are getting their trash getting picked up tomorrow. They're gonna have all the time in the world to figure out, okay, what's leftovers, what can we keep, what are we throwing away. Long day today, long day. We're short a few drivers. Not good when everything's running heavier. Pre-grip, line it up. Pick it up. Supervisor just got on the radio reminding people that we are picking up our Thursday route on Friday. Mostly for the newer guys, I guess. Traffic is light. No school. A lot of people are actually off today as well on Friday. We'll see how the landfill is going. What's going on? I didn't know it was gonna be windy today. I gotta do this clean out real quick. The landfill is awesome. No wait time. No traffic. Oh man. I didn't know there was trash juice today. Go back in here, make sure we get everything. There's some pockets that you can miss. That looks good. That's fine, that's not in the way. That is business. Grab it. All right, get out of here. Put it back, raise it up. What's going on? All right, go. Good enough. Get out of the way. Close that. Check if she's empty. Whoa. She's good to go. Tomorrow, Saturday, the landfill opens later. So I hope I have room to start on my route tomorrow. I don't want to end up loaded, but it's out of my hands, guys. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. The dangers of the landfill. Is that a syringe? I gotta tread carefully. That looks like one too. There's another. I got eyes on hot dog. What's up, Joseph? Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. like Joseph separated these cans already. His neighbor's cans are always touching each other. Good job, Joseph. I appreciate you. Super thankful for you. You are the best. Moving along to his house. Pretty cool looking black Hummer. We have ourselves a challenge. Let's see, there's a $100,000 plus vehicle on the left of me. And we got this chair. Okay. The back seat is inside. Let's see how much it shakes. Let's give it a try. Okay, not moving too much. Slowly. Nice. Every decision I make is different depending on what it is, how secure is it, because if something happens, nobody is going to be there at the safety committee, safety review, when I'm getting written up, other than myself. So I gotta do what I gotta do to be safe and to stay out of getting written up and whatnot. Don't forget to drop a like. I didn't think I was gonna see anything crazy. I'm almost done, but look at this. Wow, that can easily fill up another 64-gallon bin. This one I picked up many times and it's always overflowing. Not as much as today, but today we're running a day late. But they could use another can. They just rather not, I guess. Yes, they'll charge them, but oh, look at that. Oh, we're gonna get it. Oh, it's too heavy. Cows are all tied up together like they've done this before. All right. Let's close this one. Look at this mess. Look at this one. Okay, that one was pretty full. That's what it was. Let's see how it looks with the extra. We're gonna put this heavy stuff at the bottom. Pretty full, look. 2 times the amount on one can. Just for one day that we're behind, unacceptable. They need another can here. We just don't want to pay. Here comes Paco. Later, hot dog. 4 o'clock. LA Danny out.